Is your workshop screwed beyond repair? Let us help you tighten it up.
Come with us and we'll show you all of our favorite products to keep your workspace organized from top to bottom. Adjustable metal shelving is your best friend. Vertical space is so underutilized in garage spaces. You can create a little charging station on one of the shelves by an outlet. You can adjust them to fit all of your bins and special needs. You can use plastic totes with lids to keep your stuff safe from the elements and store things higher on shelves like kids' toys, pool toys, etc.
Speaking of vertical shelving, if you don't have a lot of floor space but you have wall space, Fast Track is a really great organizational system that allows you to hang everything from ladders to brooms to bikes and everything in between. Let's nail making the most of your floor space. Having a rolling workbench like this is going to be essential for any workshop. Not only are these modular, so you can take the top off and then use the bottom one as counter space, but they're also perfect for storing all of your hardware, your tools, and your parts for the rest of the home.
I would recommend setting up a work bag with all of your tools that you use around the house so you don't have to go in and get them from your drawers every time you need to use them. We prefer hard toolboxes because it's way easier to keep track of everything. People will put tiny things in these pockets and lose them forever, but they are good in a pinch. Here's some more bright ideas to maximize your space. We love setting up a workbench area and putting a pegboard above it. That way you keep your creation station clutter-free and you have a place to put all of your go-to tools. Pegboards have tons of different hooks so you can hang pencil cups, saws, screwdrivers, anything you can think of.
If you don't have a lot of space in your garage but you still need a workspace, this is a really good option, a foldable table that you can then slide into any nook or cranny inside of your garage and get out of the way.
So that's the drill. Now you have all the tools you need to make your workshop organized and efficient. Remember, an organized workspace not only saves you space and time, but it makes all of your projects more enjoyable.
Here at Mission to Organize, we're not just known for our award-winning YouTube channel. We also feature monthly blogs on our website and mind-blowing hacks on our Instagram and TikTok accounts. From home organizing to move management and more, M2O has your back. We'll see you next time right here on M2O TV. Bye!